it's a huge challenge for our aviation sector to decarbonize by the year 2050.
There is no single technology that gets us there. So we need to do something now, and propulsion is a key component to that.
Some people don't think we can do it. I personally believe we can do it. Sustainability is so important on so many levels. And the simple definition of sustainability really is existing in today's world, thriving and growing without depleting the resources for future generations.
We emit about 1 billion tons of CO2 today. If we don't do anything, given the demand for a flight, that's going to get closer to 3 billion by 2050.
If you're using hybrid electric combined with a combustion engine, you can take the load off that combustion engine during the high peak times, like during acceleration, and then while it's cruising, and then again in descent. And when you do that and you switch to the hybrid electric, you're able to save upward of around 30% of the CO2 emissions by using that. It's going to apply to all classes of the aircraft. Electrification in the very near term will apply to the smaller aircraft and maybe up to the regional size. In fact, we believe in this decade, we're going to be able to see the smaller aircraft, let's say up to 30-seat aircraft, flying with electrification and hybrid electrification in this decade.
We have a very extensive experience in highly electrified aircraft. And we have been using that experience to inform our decisions when it comes to what the future propulsion architectures are going to look like. So we have designed a 1 megawatt motor that has taken several years as a consistent investment by the company.
I'm really excited about the grid and how it's going to support our electrification, our goals in Collins, our goals at RTX as a whole in achieving sustainability. It's going to unlock an enabler for us in being able to test total electrification systems from end to end. I think the reason that I believe we're going to be able to do this is we've historically in our industry solved the world's toughest challenges. I mean, whoever thought a big piece of metal was going to be able to fly people around the globe? Nobody. So I think we're up to the challenge.